Hey everyone, it's Norm here from International Motor Cars, and here it is, my completely stupid and completely useless purchase. Now cleaned up inside, and here it is, 2017 Dodge Ram 3500 Laramie Longhorn Megacab, giving you that little extra bit of room in the back. And today I'm gonna do a video walk around for you on this. Obviously, this truck is not completely stupid and useless, as I put in my last video title. More of just a, I guess we'll call it a clickbait title. So here it is. Today, I'm going to give you a full walk around on this truck, show you some of the insane list of custom modifications, show you the interior, exterior, talk a little bit more about it. We'll start it up, and let's get started right now. So for this part, I'm actually going to have to step up on this chair to show you the engine in this Ram. So this is the 6.7 liter turbocharged diesel Cummins engine, which produces 385 horsepower and an astonishing 900 foot-pounds of torque. So believe it or not, that gives you a towing capacity of over 31,000 pounds on this Ram. Now this particular Ram has been straight piped and tuned, so the numbers are actually even higher, and I think it sounds pretty good. Let's go ahead and we'll start it up right now. So showing you guys the inside of this Ram, I'm actually going to start with the back here. This is, of course, like I mentioned, the Megacab, so you guys can see tons of room. It's got this extra 6 or 8 or 12 inches of storage, so you can see all kinds of leg room. And of course, these seats in the back fold almost flat, so you can sort of turn them into a miniature bed. And of course, you guys can see parts of the Longhorn interior trim. You can see the back seats are in excellent condition, basically never been sat in. Very nicely trimmed throughout. And moving on to the inside here, give you guys a bit of humor because I'm gonna have to jump in. Let's see here. Whew, there we go. All right. So moving on the inside, you can see this Laramie is fully equipped. The Longhorn is as top and as fully loaded as you can get. All your normal features, navigation, backup camera. We'll make sure the radio's off. Heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel, all that sort of stuff. Automatic transmission, premium audio system, sunroof. Really, these things are as nice as you can get for a truck inside. Branded Longhorn. So moving on to some of the modifications of this truck, obviously, most notably, you can see it's got a massive lift kit. And this lift kit has been built fully custom by a company out of Florida called Knockout Customs. And you guys can see it's on full airbag suspension. And you can see custom color painted frame. It's got all your hydraulic stabilizer bars, all sorts of super cool, really expensive stuff underneath. And like I said, everything is custom painted as well. Really, really nice. Really, really clean build. Now this lift kit, this is in the fully raised up mode. So you can see here with these buttons, that turns on the compressor. And the controller, it's an AccuAir controller, which simply just press these buttons and can raise and lower it, which looks like this. Moving along, it's got these 22-inch HD alloy wheels on 37-inch tires. Really nice shape. Tires are brand new, have all kinds of tread on them. And as mentioned, there's your exhaust pipe. This truck is fully straight piped, tuned and deleted, so it's got all kinds of power. Really nice truck, lots of custom modifications. And if you guys are looking for something super unique, a lifted Ram diesel, this is pretty much the only one like it in Alberta for sale. All right, hope you guys have enjoyed this short video walk around on this 2017 Ram 3500 Laramie Longhorn diesel. I'm gonna put the link in the video description to check this truck out. You guys can see more photos, a detailed write-up, pricing, all that sort of fun stuff. And if you guys do have any questions, you could leave me a comment at the bottom of this video. Super nice truck. Curious what you guys think about it. Let me know down below. And of course, if you guys haven't already subscribed to our channel, please do so. We're going to continue to do these video walkarounds and sold deliveries and all sorts of fun stuff. We're going to keep the content coming this year. But in the meantime, this is actually my favorite in here. In the meantime, if you guys like this video or like this truck, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one.